Have you ever wondered what's inside the bag of a flight attendant? What do cabin crew need to bring before their flight? Is the bag provided by the company or do you have to pay for it? If you want to know the answers to those questions, then please keep watching this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tori here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the bag of a flight attendant. Nandito nga pala ako ngayon sa Savoy Hotel sa tapat ng Terminal 3, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Pang buong Naiya Terminal 3, sa tapat lang siya. Flight attendant at Cebu Pacific Air, and today I'm gonna show you guys what's inside our handbag that we bring besides our trolley. So bukod sa trolley namin, na fully luggage namin, meron pa kaming isang bag for the female cabin crew or female flight attendants ng Cebu Pacific. Ito yun. So this is our handbag or what we call bag, backpack, handbag, shoulder bag, lahat na. Kasi itong bag na to na provided ng Cebu Pacific na part ng uniform namin ay pwedeng gawing shoulder bag, pa ganyan. And actually, pwede rin siyang gawing backpack. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ganyan siya. Hilahin nyo lang yung dito na part. At hihilahin lang din yung dito na part. Para magpantay siya. Ganyan. At maging backpack. Siya. Ang cute, diba? Itong backpack na to, medyo mabigat siya kasi gawa siya sa leather, ganyan. At ang cute ng color. Para siyang pa-box type or yung mga bag ng Korean students, mga ganun. Pareho lang naman kami ng bag. And we have here our crew tag kung saan nakalagay yung information namin. Ganyan. Nakalagay siya dyan, information. Kung saan i-report if ever na mawala yung bag or pag may ibang nakahanap ng bag. So, ayan. Dito sa bag namin, merong buttons. Ganyan. And, yan. Flip lang siya or open. And pag may option na pwedeng i-zipper to. May zipper yan. Pwedeng i-zipper. Pero ako madalas hindi ko na zini-zipper kasi para madali ko lang makuha yung mga gamit ko since lagi kaming nagmamadali and we have to hurry or be punctual as flight attendants. Yan yung laman ng bag ko. Kung ano-ano yung mga laman. Mga documents, envelopes. And ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa. Okay, so first, what's inside the bag of a flight attendant? We have my perfume. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mabaho tayo as a flight attendant. Mabaho. Pero ayan, this is my perfume. The perfume I use is Body Fantasies in Vanilla. So, Body Fantasies, baka naman, charis. So, ayan. Ito yung favorite ko na pabango kasi medyo long lasting siya, affordable, and grabe, sobrang favorite ko kasi ang vanilla ever since I was a kid. Inside my bag is our competency card and yung mga documents namin. So, dito nakalagay yung mga parang license namin siya as a flight attendant or cabin crew. Ito yung kailangan naming ipakita every day during our cabin crew briefing sa aming purser or lead cabin crew. Kailangan updated yung mga trainings namin since every year we conduct trainings and every additional aircraft we have additional trainings for that as well. Nakalagay lahat kung pumasa kami, kailangan ipakita ito. Rin yung iba kong mga pang-review, mga spare watches, ganyan. May spare watch ako, spare earrings, spare ball pen, and I also have a prescription ng glasses ko. Since I wear glasses and we are required na magpakita lagi ng prescription pag hiningi kasi syempre we need to prove na kaya we are wearing glasses kasi malabo yung mata namin. And nandito rin yung passport ko. So, my Philippine passport. I have my wallet, of course. Next in my bag is this pouch. This pouch na, ito halo-halo na yung laman nito. I have a mirror, spare eco bag, anong tawag dun? Hindi, yung pang spray sa mouth, para sa breath. Hindi mouthwash yung tawag, ginalimutan ko kung ano. Basta yung pang spray sa breath. Yan, nabili ko to sa Dubai, yung pang spray. Sa Carrefour ko siya nabili. Meron din ako ditong hand cream, mouthwash also, baby wipes, correction tape, At kung ano-ano pa, basta lahat ng mga random things na kailangan ko, na baka kailanganin ko in flight or sa duty, nandito lahat para isang kuhaan na lang. Next, we have, sa bag ko is my spare glasses. So, as flight attendants or cabin crew sa Cebu Pacific, we are required na if I am, kunwari malabo yung mata ko, and I wear glasses, I also have to bring all the time my spare glasses. So, ito, black yung standard namin na glasses. But you can also wear brown, transparent, and black. Yun yung mga kailangan na colors. Pero ang dala ko na extra ko na salamin is ito. Color white siya. Ay, transparent pala. Transparent. Ayan yung... syempre, if ever that masira man in flight yung salamin namin, meron kaming agad na pampalit. Kasi syempre, hindi tayo pwedeng hindi mag-function as flight attendant in the flight. So, we need to have spare glasses all the time. Kung saan pwede maglagay ng ball pens. So, ayan. I have 2 ball pens here. One, so, ayan. Dito rin yung panyo ko. Some snacks in case na magutom. And what else do we have? My ID. Yan, my ID. That's me. Hi. Of course, my lipstick or lip cream. So, ang ginagamit ko sa work na lip cream or lipstick is Pink Flash in the shade number 3. Ayan, nude. Nude siya. Kasi we have standard makeup. If you're a flight attendant, you know na kailangan standard yung makeup nyo based on the branding of your company. So, scarf. This is my scarf. Sa part ng uniform, extra scarf as well. Some candies na paubos na. My headset. Hindi mawawala dyan ang aking wings or yung nameplate namin as cabin crew. Ayan. Eh, pwede yung pang-thumbnail to. O, diba? Ito yung sinusuot namin sa uniform namin. What else? So, actually, yun na. Yun lang yung laman ng bag ko. That's it for this video. I hope this gave you guys an idea kung anong laman ng bag ng isang cabin crew or flight attendant sa Cebu Pacific. Those are just some of the essentials of the things that I bring all the time sa work. Kasi syempre, we have to be ready all the time, and being a flight attendant is like being a Girl Scout. You always need to be ready for anything. So, as much as possible, bring everything that you can. I would personally add to my things in the bag. Kung may add man ako, it was my vitamins and some medicines. Hindi ko alam kung bakit wala siya dito sa bag ko, pero I think it's in my trolley siguro. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a more detailed idea of what it's like being a flight attendant. So if you want more videos like this, please comment down below and like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Tori Lindsay at Tori the Vampire. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.